Number 4, let P equal 3 minus 5i and Q equal negative 8 plus 2i. Compute the following. P plus Q, P minus Q, and P times Q. Essentially, we're going to take these two complex numbers and we're going to add them, subtract them, and multiply them. So the first one we're going to add. So this will be 3 minus 5i plus negative 8 plus 2i. And when we're adding, we simply combine the like terms. So I have 3 and negative 8. 3 and negative 8 becomes negative 5. And then negative 5i and positive 2i. Negative 5 and positive 2 becomes negative 3i. So my answer for addition is negative 5 minus 3i. Number 2, we're going to do the same thing except subtract. So 3 minus 5i minus negative 8 plus 2i. And remember, with subtraction, we do keep, change, change. So I keep the first one the same. I change subtraction to addition. And then in the second one, I change all of the signs. So negative 8 becomes positive 8. And plus 2i becomes minus 2i. And now I could treat it like an addition problem. So now I have 3 and 8, which is 11. And I have negative 5i and negative 2i, which is negative 7i. So my answer when subtracting is 11 minus 7i. So that's my subtracting one. To multiply, I'm going to box method. I'm going to use the box method. So let me set up the box method here. So I have 3 minus 5i times negative 8 plus 2i. And let's multiply it out and see what we get. So negative 8 times 3. Negative 8 times 3 is going to be a negative 24. Negative 8 times negative 5i. Negative 8 times negative 5i is going to be a positive 40i. 3 times 2i is 6i. And negative 5i times 2i is going to be a negative 10i squared. So I put that together, I end up with negative 24. 40i and 6i is 46i. And then minus 10i squared. But remember, I have to use the fact that I squared is equal to negative 1 when I simplify. So negative 10i squared is really negative 10 times negative 1. Okay? And negative 10 times negative 1 is positive 10. So now I have negative 24 and positive 10, which combine to negative 14 plus 46i. So the answer for multiplication is negative 14 plus 46i.